Survivor or from Vuma FM. I'm at Premier Car Auto Services, e-car, right now. And I have to tell you my story. A few weeks ago, I woke up on a Monday morning. Like Mondays are not bad enough. And there was this weird noise in my car. Couldn't get my gears in. Being a woman, I drove the car anyway because I was like, I need to get to work. It's a Monday. If I'm late, someone's going to pay for that. So off I went, struggling to get the car into gear. Managed to make it to work. Still drove the car back home. And with luck, I met Yugen Munsami, who is the CEO at Premier Auto Services. He came into the studio for an interview, and I found out about their workshop, where I am right now. And I thought, let me give them a try. And they were nice enough, first of all, to send someone to my house to make sure I had a problem, because maybe I was just being a girl about the whole thing. So somebody came, Maurice actually came to my house early in the morning, told me, ma'am, don't drive the car. Do not drive the car, otherwise you're going to get yourself into some serious trouble. You've got a problem now, but you'll get yourself into serious trouble. So I listened. They came, got the car from me, and Bob's your uncle, 2 days later, my car was back in ship-shop shape. Guess what the problem was? Clutch plate. Didn't even know that thing existed. So I'm back, because I had such great services. All the guys here, Jonathan, Colin, Maurice, all the guys, they're so great. I thought I'm going to come back because it really is like a family atmosphere. It's clean, you can see. Everything is where it's supposed to be. Cars getting worked on. So I'm back now because it's warm. Durban summer is on the way. It's spring and the best time for you to come and get your aircon checked out. There's lots of reasons. Over winter you don't use it as much, or you're blasting the heater. Things happen, cars run out of gas. There's a weird smell coming from your aircon vent. So I'm here to regas because I found out first day of spring, hot day, that my aircon's not working. So of course, where did I come? I came back to Premier Car Auto Services, and here I am today. And the guys are at work. Apparently it doesn't take that long, so I should be on the road and cool once again in just a few minutes.